Hello friends, you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pawar Padi All Rounder. My name is SS Pawar. I am an ex-serviceman from the army. I hail from a picturesque region of Uttarakhand. Dear friends, Uttarakhand is also known the land of warriors apart from the land of God. Many pages of history are filled with the tales of Uttarakhandi warriors who had sacrificed their lives for protecting the borders of our country.
Friends, among those warriors, today I am telling you about a great warrior, Rifleman Jaswant Singh Rawat, who is known for his bravery in the 1962 war between India and China. Rifleman Jaswant Singh Rawat was an Indian Army soldier of 4th Battalion of the Gadwal Rifle who displayed extraordinary courage and selflessness during the 1962 India-China war. His actions at the Battle of Nuranang in present-day Arunachal Pradesh have made him a legendary figure in Indian military history. In November 1962, the Chinese People's Liberation Army (PLA) launched a major offensive in the Nefa Northeast Frontier Agency, now Arunachal Pradesh. Rifleman Jaswant Singh Rawat's battalion was tasked with defending a crucial post at Nuranang. During intense fighting on November 17, 1962, a Chinese medium machine gun (MMG) was inflicting heavy casualties on the Indian soldiers. Rifleman Jaswant Singh Rawat, along with two other soldiers, volunteered to neutralize this threat. They bravely charged towards the enemy position, looped grenades and managed to capture the MMG, killing 5 Chinese soldiers in the process. Tragically, his 2 companions were killed. Despite the loss of his comrades and the order for his company to retreat, Rifleman Jaswant Singh Rawat refused to leave his post. With the help of 2 local Monapa girls, Sela and Noora, he continued to fight. They moved between different bunkers and Rifleman Jaswant Singh Rawat kept firing, creating the illusion of a much larger force. For 72 hours, he single-handedly held off the advancing Chinese troops, inflicting heavy casualties estimated to be over 300. When the Chinese forces finally realized they were facing only one man, they launched a full-scale attack. Rifleman Jaswant Singh Rawat, knowing capture was imminent, shot himself with his last bullet. Enraged by the resistance, he put up. The Chinese reportedly took his head back with them. However, after the ceasefire, impressed by his bravery, a Chinese commander returned his head along with a brass bust of the rifleman as a sign of respect. Rifleman Jaswant Singh Rawat was posthumously awarded the Mahavir Chakra, India's second highest wartime gallantry award, for his exceptional courage and sacrifice. Even today, Rifleman Jaswant Singh Rawat is revered as hero by the Indian Army and locals. A memorial named Jaswant Gad stands at the site of his heroic stand. Soldiers posted there treat him as a living being, polishing his boots, making his bed, and even serving him meals. It is believed that his spirit still guards the post. Singh Rawat is a testament to extraordinary bravery, unwavering dedication to duty, and the power of a single individual to make a significant difference in the face of overwhelming odds. His legend continues to inspire generations of Indians. His extraordinary bravery and selflessness offer profound inspiration. Despite being heavily outnumbered and facing imminent danger, Rifleman Jaswant Singh Rawat chose to stand his ground and fight. His refusal to retreat in the face of overwhelming odds exemplifies exceptional courage. Order to withdraw, he voluntarily stayed behind to delay the enemy advance, prioritizing the safety of his fellow soldiers and the defense of his post above his own life. This highlights a deep sense of duty and patriotism. For 3 days, with the help of two local girls, he single handedly held back the Chinese forces, creating an illusion of a larger resistance through his tactical maneuvering. His resilience and fighting spirit, even when alone and under immense pressure, are truly inspiring. His innovative use of terrain and constant shifting of firing position to mislead the enemy demonstrates remarkable presence of mind and tactical acumen in a critical situation. Rifleman Jaswant Singh Rawat's willingness to fight until his last bullet and his reported self-sacrifice to avoid capture underscore the ultimate commitment he made to his country. His story continues to inspire generations of soldiers and civilians alike, embodying the highest ideal of courage, duty, and sacrifice in the face of adversity. The memorial at Jaswantgarh stands as a testament to his bravery and a constant source of inspiration.
Dear friends, how did you like this inspiring historical incident? If you too are impressed by the bravery of Rifleman Jaswant Singh Rawat, like this video, write Jai Hind, and who didn't yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. See you with another such inspiring story. Till then, take care. Bye bye.